Let my people go. Who's this God?
So I find a way to have access to Grog almost for free for my Bible animated stories. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can also have access to Grog almost for free for your Bible animated stories. You know, I've used a lot of AI video generator to create animations, but one of the AIs that I am currently in love with is Grog. So when Grog finally ended the freemium for us, I was so heartbroken, but I find a way that you can have access to Grog almost for free. So I'm going to show you how you can also do it. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our browser and type Grog AI in the search like this. Then click on the first link. Now when you open the Grog interface, come to this section where we have the profile and click on your profile photo or your account like this. At the down here, you tap on it. Then you click on upgrade plan. Now, when you click on the upgrade plan, you're going to see $30 here, meaning that if you decide to upgrade it from this section, you're going to get 3 days free trial. After the 3 days, you're going to pay $30 every month to have access to Grog. Now, if you want to pay something cheaper than the $30, then I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that. So let's go back to our Grog account. This is a Grog account, and then click on connect your X account and connect your Grog to your X account. You first need to sign up with your Gmail if you do not have an account, or sign in if you already have an account. All you need to do is to provide your basic details like your name, your date of birth, password, and username. Then you can be able to open an X account. So I've already done that. Now that I've signed into my X account, come to this section where we have home, explore, notification, follow, chat, Grog, premium, profile, and more. We are going to make use of the premium. Tap on the premium like this. Then you see we have 3 upgrade plans here. That's basic, premium, and then another premium. With the basic, when you choose this plan, you are going to get small reply boost, bookmark folders, highlights, tabs, edit posts, create longer posts, and then customize your experience on X. But if you decide to go with the second one, that is $2.5, you are going to get a verified check mark, enhanced Grog access, advanced analytics, less ads on your feeds, and then boosted replies, write articles, and then get paid to post, creator subscriptions, and then X Pro. You also have the $20 option, but we want something cheaper. We are going to go with the $2.5 option so that we can have access to Grog. Now for the $2.5, it's going to be for a period of 2 months. After 2 months, you'll be paying $5. So if after 2 months you have been able to monetize your videos and you're earning something on your videos, paying $5 on the tools you are using shouldn't be anything difficult, right? So let's go with the $2.5 and click on the subscribe and pay button. So here I'm going to enter the email I want to use plus my card details here. So let's quickly do that and then continue. So when you're done, you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to X plus Grog. So let's see. So after you finish doing your payment, you are going to see this pop up on your screen. You are all set. Your purchase was successful. You click on the continue button. Click on take a quick tour. Then click on continue button to just quickly go through all these things that they are showing you. So after you finish making your payment, the next thing you want to do is to come back to Grog. If you have already signed into your Grog account, come to this section where we have your profile picture and click on it. Then click on the sign out button to sign out from Grog. So wait for it to finish signing you out and sign in again. So here we are going to click on the sign in button at the top here and sign in into your Grog account. This time you're not going to choose login with Google again, but rather choose the login with X. So tap on the first option, this one, to log in with your X account. Now click on the authorize app here to authorize access to your account. So just tap on it like this to authorize access to your account. Wow, so we are done. Now the next thing you're going to do is to test whether the payment we made on X has reflected here. So bring your cursor here and click on the imagine button. So I have some images I generated with ChatGPT, and that's what we are going to animate. So let's go to ChatGPT and download these images. I have this one. I'm going to tap on the download button here to download the image to my device. Then also have another one here. I'm going to tap on the download button here to download this image to my device. So now let's go back to Grok to import these images. So click on the attach button here and click on animate images to select the image you want to animate. So I'm going to select the first one, this one, and click on the open button to import it to Grok. Now we're going to add our video prompt. So let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt ChatGPT provided. I'm going to copy it like this and then right click and click on copy, and then let's go back to Grok and enter the prompt here, paste, then hit on the generate button, and let's see whether our video can be able to generate. Well, so our subscription has worked. You can see we have been able to generate our video using the $2.5 subscription that we made on X. Okay, so this is how you can have access to Grog almost all for free, just for $2.5. This is how cheap you can start creating your faceless YouTube videos with Grog. What do you think about this offer? Is it something good, or you think it's too expensive? You can go ahead and share that with me in the comment section. So in my next video, I'm going to show you a new AI video generative tool that I've just discovered. I'm sure you're going to like that one too. So make sure you stay tuned to this channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.